Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and S&P price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a daily close for the indices, so to see what happened today and what we might have tomorrow. So basically we saw, of course, some green today, very nice as expected. We are still in this ultimate bullish scenario. We are looking here at a potential wave 4. We are moving for higher here as a finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now this wave 5 can unfold, as we mentioned during the intraday, a little bit extended, and that because of course it can be that the wave 3 very shallow, the wave 4 did not interfere, so perfect impulse, and we might see of course an extended wave 5 taking the all-time high. What I would like to see right now is of course a little bit much more longer wave 4 and a 5 later on, because if this is your wave 2 and this is a wave 3 here, I think it might be unfinished. So this is a part of the wave 3, and I would like to see a wave 4 a little bit longer in time. So I would like to see like 5 to 6 hours there, because you have already 4 hours in the wave 2, so 4 candles. So you would like to see 6 to 8 candles as well in the wave 4 before continuation toward the upside. Yeah, so basically it looks perfect for this scenario, guys. It looks still perfect. And what if a scenario here can happen that you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and you're looking already for higher, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also possible, yeah. So but this possibility will start to be evaluated after we finish the top, after we finish this wave, potential wave 5. Is it gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this wave 5, or are we gonna get a deeper wave 4, right, for this wave 4? But basically, I would like to see a little bit extended prices. If we see extended prices, guys, then yeah, we have to take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, definitely. Okay, because the targets for wave 5 taken from this 1, 2 here, based on the wave 3, giving us, of course, this blue zone, right? And I would like to see kind of like a nice impulse, yeah, so finishing over there. But on the 1 hour chart, if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, well, this is a very shallow wave 2, right? We cannot take it 1, 2, I believe so. And that because, as you can see, if this is your wave 1 here, you did not touch even the 0.38, right? So basically, in case we get a higher impulse that is going to transform to something like a wave 1 here, maybe we take, of course, a wave 2 here, so higher, right? But to be evaluated, of course, after this high here. Once we finish this wave 5 potentially, taking the all-time high, therefore, we start to evaluate, is it wave 2 here and moving for higher? If this happened, therefore, of course, we have to rely or to bring this for a wave 5, wave 3 still, okay? Meaning bigger, longer wave. And then, of course, looking for a wave 4 in the yellow later on. If we take the high and we see a longer range wave 4, by the way, let me check the alternation. Okay, we have a very shallow wave 2, by the way, okay? And that means potentially the wave 4 here might be very deep, zigzag. Okay, it might be a very sharp zigzag, meaning what it might happen if we get, of course, the high in an impulse, a wave 4 might be a sharp zigzag and then moving for higher again. Okay, this is very possible. We're gonna see this, guys, step by step. I'm gonna remove everything right now. What I'm looking for is right now just a little bit higher, taking the all-time high here, and of course, like confirming a wave 5 that it can be done and finished here, right? This is what I would like to see. Let's check the SPX, what it did also today. So basically, we see the SPX following Nasdaq finally, after being behind a little bit. So we see, of course, an impulse as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're looking for this wave 5. So the same scenario here right now unfolding. It has, of course, followed up and moving for a wave 3 in the blue color, right? 1, 2. And then 3, right? Because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. It will be finishing an impulse here as a wave 3, then moving for a wave 4. The same again, very shallow, flat wave 2, meaning wave 4 might be a zigzag a deeper one, and it might revisit this wave 4 as normally Elliott wave do for doubles wave 4. You might see, of course, the second wave 4 comes around the previous one and then moving for higher even later on. Yep, so nothing is very unfamiliar here. Everything looks perfect, and again, I cannot complain. It looks perfect as expected, and we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna happen next. That was it for the daily close for the Nasdaq and the S&P. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.